Hey everybody, back again with another video. I got a blaster box of 2016 Panini Contenders. Just opened the 2014 box. And let's see what we got here. Five packs. Man, you get on eBay and see what those Dax and those Zekes are selling for if you pull one of those autographs. It is crazy. We got a Kevin Benjamin, Des Bryant, Ryan Fitzpatrick, Blaine Gabbert. What was this? Bart Starr. And everybody keeps getting these. And I heard somebody say it might have been a short print, but then he pulled a couple in a row. And he was like, well, there you go. It can't be a short print, so probably isn't. J.J. Watt. Jameis Winston, Zach Ertz. Cam Newton, DeMarco Murray, Devontae Parker, Larry Fitzgerald, C.J. Anderson, Thomas Rawls, Andy Dalton, Adrian Peterson. It feels thick. Let's see what we got. Devin Funchess, Jason Witten, the Gronk, DeAndre Hopkins, Brandon Cooks, Rashad Jennings, Trevor Simeon, Adrian Peterson, MVP Contenders. Watch that be the only cool card that comes out of here. These things are so expensive. Terrell Pryor of the Browns, Julio Jones, Marcus Mariota, Travis Landry, Russell Wilson, Steve Smith, Sam Bradford, and a legendary Contenders. Who is that? Jim Brown? Ozzie Newsome. Alrighty, one more pack. This is it. I'm getting something cool. It's got to be out of here. Amari Cooper, Kevin White, Le'Veon Bell, T.Y. Hilton, Tyrod Taylor, got Travis Benjamin, and we have a Aaron Rodgers, and a little swash of Chris Moore, the rookie for the Baltimore Ravens. Yeah. Would have been nice to get an autograph. You know, these are like, buying a box of these is like a scratch-off ticket. Either you're going to hit something or you're not, but it's always fun trying. But alright, thanks a lot, everybody, for watching. See ya.